So in front of me I've got Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for File Manager app. As you can see, we've got two File Manager apps, files provided by Google and the one provided by Redmi. First, let's go to the one provided by Redmi, and right here you can find your internal storage, and internal storage divided to categories like images, videos, documents, music, apps, Bluetooth and downloads, archives and more. Also you can perform clean. If you go to Files by Google, you've got also possibility to go to Nearby Share, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files. You can clean junk files as well. Go to the Save folder, Favorites and Recycled bin. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.